Good afternoon mga plant buddies. So this afternoon, we're going to talk about the Giganteum Variegata. So ito yung aking Giganteum Philodendron. So this afternoon, I'm going to repot this one because I'm gonna transfer this to a bigger pot. So ngayon, what soil I have to use? So yung soil na gagamitin natin is a mix of a regular potting soil and chopped coconut husk, yung mga bunot na tinagtag ng pino. So hindi tayo gagamit we're not going to use the pure garden soil kasi itong mga philodendrons, ayaw nila yung mga pure talagang soil mix. Gusto na, they like the well aerated and light potting mix that holds some moisture. So that's why we're going to use the mixture of the garden soil and the chopped coconut husk. So ito yung ating mga gagamitin for this afternoon. So i-focus tayo. So this is the chopped coconut husk. Kailangan yung tuyo na coconut husk ang gagamitin nyo ha. Hindi pwede yung green pa yung buhay. So this one, so i-mix natin. This one is already mixed with the garden soil. So yun ang ating gagamitin as ating media. So now we'll start repotting this beautiful philodendron. So this is our pot. So ito yung ating pot. Ngayon meron na itong mga tinagtad na bunot inside. So we'll just add a little bit of the potting soil, itong garden soil natin. Huwag masyadong marami. So also add rice hulls if you have available in your area, but as here we don't have it, so I'll just use the regular potting soil and the bunot. So that's it. And then nakikita na yung kanyang mga ugat, so it's a sign that we have to transfer this to a bigger pot and then add more potting soil. I have to cut the bottom part. Ay, ay, ay. So, tapos, it's not easy. Nawisan ako doon na. So, ganyan lang siya. So, bago pa mag-COVID, guys, I bought this plant. You can't believe how much I bought this. This is very like, about siguro maybe mga 10-12 inches big, tall. I bought it only for 100 pesos. From my friend. Kulay green pa siya noon. Then, ngayon na talagang, I think nabili ko siya nung, kailan ba dahil? I bought this last April. It's very small. Then, ngayon, ang ganda niya pala, ang mahal-mahal niya sa market. This one, I think the small one of this cost 3,000, 3,500. So, I'm so lucky. I got this one at a very cheap price. It's a good deal. Actually, we don't know also that it's a philodendron. So, we thought it's just the regular caladium. And she sold it to me for 100 pesos. And now you cannot buy even 1,000. A plant like this, very expensive. So, yan lang. Ayan. Kita nyo, yung ating bunot, mayroon ding konting lupa. Hindi din pure bunot. Maganda din na kahit papano mayroon siyang konting soil. So all the roots are covered. Wala man ang makikitang roots. Wala na naka-expose na roots. So I guess we're good. Okay na. See, mayroon siyang bunot, mayroon ding konting lupa. So, kailangan ganyan. let's talk about how to care for this plant. So ngayon, let's start with the soil. Of course, we need the fast draining potting soil. So do not use garden soil, pure garden soil. You have to mix it with either you can use an orchid mix, you can mix it with a coco peat, a rice hull, or what you call it, a peat moss. Or also, you can also use the bunot, the chopped coconut husk mixed with the garden soil. That's what I use in most of my philodendrons. The chopped coconut husk mixed with what you call this, mixed with the garden soil. So ngayon naman, when it comes to water, you water your plants when the soil is dry. So how will you know na dry na yung soil nyo? Of course, you can dip your finger into the soil. Now, kung mafe-feel nyo na dry na siya, then that's the time you water it. Huwag kayo dilig ng dilig because it can cause root rot also. So, you just water your plants. You put intervals upon watering your Philodendron Variegata. So, next naman, saan nyo dapat ilagay yung inyong halaman? So, this kind of plant cannot tolerate direct sunlight. So, always place this in an area where it can get indirect sunlight. Yung bright siya, maliwanag, very bright, but no direct sunlight. So, morning sun is okay. Wag lang yung afternoon sun that's too harsh for the for your philodendron. So, hindi niya. Philodendrons don't like direct sunlight. Masusunog ang kanyang mga dahon. So, when it comes to fertilizer naman, fertilizers, you can use the slow release fertilizer. You just sprinkle minimum amount around the area. Huwag masyadong malapit sa base, sa puno niya, sa paligid lang dito sa medyo malayo-layo. I use the slow release complete fertilizers. It's available in the market because it's good for 3 to 4 months, and then that's the time you fertilize again. Hindi kailangan mag-fertilize ka every month. So, mas convenient sa part ko. So, 3 to 4 months and that's it. Or sometimes, if I have extra fertilizer for my orchids, I also spray them with foliar complete fertilizer dito sa kanyang mga dahon. So, may nabasa kong article that this plant is toxic to humans and animals if ingested. So, hindi ko alam kung totoo kasi hindi pa po nangyari sa amin na may nakakain din na someone or our pet ingested this plant. But let's just take extra careful. So if you have pets or small kids at home, just put this away from your house muna. So ilayo nyo muna habang maliliit pa ang iyong mga anak. Kasi, you know, yung mga bata maliliit pa, they just grab something and they put it in their mouth. So, mas maigi na mag-ingat na lang po tayo. Basta sabi nila, this one is toxic. I don't know how true, but let's just take extra care. So, wala namang mawawala kung mag-iingat tayo. Diba? So, yun lang ang ating pag-uusapan today. A very short vlog, and I'll see you guys around on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!